energy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey Amber, is today really gonna be your most productive day ever? It's 12 o'clock.
No.
Yeah, it is. Good morning, beautiful.
Oh, God. I just had like the most in-depth nightmare of my life.
Nightmare?
Not really a nightmare. I was just
I also
crashing
did
a plane, but
Amber.
that was awful. I literally just crashed a plane, and now I have to wake up, and I have to make breakfast. You're kidding.
You're kidding.
You're kidding. What's up, guys? It's 1 p.m. and the most productive day of my life is about to start right now. Starting a little late, but that's all right. So today I'm gonna do everything that I consider very productive, responsible, business-oriented, and that starts out with putting on an actual outfit and putting on a bit of makeup. Just because doing that makes me take myself a little bit more seriously sometimes. I'm gonna go find a fit, and I'll be right back. Boom! Outfit change. I'm just gonna leave that in. So, I put on my outfit. This top's from Princess Polly. It's from my last haul I just did with them. These jeans are from Princess Polly. These necklaces are from Princess Polly. And then these earrings are from Best Dressed Ashley. Now that I got the fit sorted out, I have to put on my makeup. So this is my face, no makeup. A little clown shape. Art imitates life, and this clown makeup imitates my clown behavior. Now, like a responsible adult, I'm gonna go eat breakfast at 1 p.m. Believe it or not, this is actually waking up pretty early for me. Ah! No, don't worry about it. I'm definitely good. I'm definitely fine. I'm fine. Let's go get it. Hey, y'all. Ashley!
You look very nice.
Thanks. For my breakfast, I'm gonna eat this nice bowl of cotton candy grapes. Hey, Rainier cherries and blueberries.
My favorite song.
Hey, my breakfast.
This one.
After this, I'm probably gonna need an everything bagel with vegan cream cheese.
Oh my god, that sounds so good, Amber.
Yeah, this is epic. So I'm just gonna continue eating my beautiful fruit bowl, and I'll catch you again once I have a bagel in my hands. Boop. Bagel time. Got vegan cream cheese on it. I'm gonna do a bit of journaling now to try and plan out my productive day. You know what I'm saying? Amber's most productive day. So what's everything I have to do today? Wake up, drank, faded, drank. Just kidding, scratch that. Kendrick Lamar. I don't even know what song that's from. So anyways, back to business. I woke up, made breakfast, filming. Oh, then I have to post my video on YouTube and post on Instagram. I think Ashley and I want to have a picnic at the park with Andrew, hopefully. And we're gonna eat lunch there. All right, this looks pretty good. Here's my to-do list on this most productive day. I actually got the idea for this whole productive day video from a class I've been taking on Skillshare. I've been trying to get my life back on track, and it's been very insightful. Like, I've learned to schedule my day, wowee, and just like how to fix your mindset and take things one step at a time, you know? If you're not familiar with Skillshare, it's an online learning community where you can get a membership and you get access to a bunch of different classes online. I've used them for a bunch of different topics like photography, film. There's also stuff like marketing and business. The class I've been looking at is Real Productivity, Building Habits That Last by Thomas Frank. It's really nice though because you can take classes whenever you're free. So you get to adjust it to your own life, which is nice. If you want to try out Skillshare yourself, they're actually giving away a free 2-month trial of their premium membership to the first 1,000 people that click the link in my description. And after that, it's only around $10 a month. So we can get on this productive grind together. It's a good time over there. I'm just gonna share a bit of the wisdom I've learned in this class with you guys. One of the big things I talk about is perfection is the enemy of good. You can't be too hard on yourself. Like today I woke up at noon, but you know what? Tomorrow's a new day, I'll try again. All right, I feel good now that I got all this figured out. So I'll catch you later. I actually just remembered I have to upload a YouTube video right now. Let's watch. So I just have to click public. Oh my god, I'm always so scared. Boop. Yay, now it's up. Now I gotta say hi to all the new comments. Oh my god, I didn't even see you there. I was just editing this video. I'm actually editing this one as I film it, which is kind of weird.
It's not that weird.
What?
I said it's not that weird. You know what is weird though?
What?
That dude standing behind you. Turn around, he's right there.
Nosferatu! I shotgunned an Arnold Palmer today.
Andrew, what are you eating?
Hamburger helper.
Hamburger helper.
There's not a song that goes along with it.
I swear you sang that once. Now I'm packing up some snacks for our little picnic. I think this is gonna be awesome. And Charles is coming with us. That's Ashley's boyfriend. I've never been on a picnic with Ashley and Charles.
We go all the time, but
I never get invited on Ashley and Charles' dates, which is kind of annoying. I'm honestly kind of offended.
it's kind of rude of us.
It's kind of rude. You want a treat?
Good one yourself there. Self-sufficient. Grab it.
Good boy.
You get Charles. Why are you so tall? Lizzie Gobbler.
This is our nice little wrap container with some strawberries. Hey, Bobby! Where's the cable?
It's on my bike.
Wait, then why don't... Well, we can just put it in my car and I can drive.
42069.
Want to just take my car?
Now watch this.
Oh God.
That's Henry Johnson. He was the first black guy to get a Medal of Honor.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I didn't know that.
That's his house.
Wait a minute.
No, it's not his house.
That's not his house.
What?
Imagine Charles just like made it up.
You just
No,
made that.
someone said that. Hi, lady. I cut my lip while shotgunning an Arnold Palmer.
We have to say happy birthday to a fan account named Emily.
And we have to say one to one named Anna.
Happy birthday, Emily!
We hope that you have an amazing day.
Happy birthday, Anna. Happy birthday, Anna.
Happy birthday, Anna. Another thing off the to-do list. Check.
Vape? No. Lip gloss.
Hi, sorry.
Why is Ashley so annoying? I don't know.
Hi, we're out having a picnic right now.
We road trip to New York City. I'm just kidding.
New York City!
You know
We're gonna-
what the ultimate check off the checklist is today?
What?
Filming a video.
That is, I was literally gonna say that. I was like, honestly, whatever I do in this video, whatever. Whatever. I know, it looks so good. I was thinking this whole day, I'm like, at least I'm filming a video. That is like the most productive thing I can do ever. Now I'm done.
Boys.
I'm just one of the boys.
We don't have brakes.
No! Andrew doesn't have
no,
brakes.
no, no,
That's
no.
so whatever. Why are they doing that? Andrew! New York City. Just kidding, we're still upstate. Andrew's going biking with his friend.
Girls' night.
Love that.
Picnic spread.
Amber's just putting her hair up like a beautiful
Boss.
baddie.
Boss moves only.
I love her shirt. I want to steal it from her and she won't let me.
You never asked.
No, I did ask and you said no.
Roll the footage.
The next item can I have?
No! I'm just kidding. My dinner is gonna be this salad that has quinoa, couscous, zucchini, chickpeas, salad, etc. I'm gonna eat one of these dry mangoes because I haven't had them in like a year.
Have a bite of that.
Oh my god, the flavor.
Pretzels, chocolate.
Dill pickle popcorn, baba ganoush, water. Look at Amber next to the strawberry.
Wow!
That was
Yo!
Everyone
You
like
only
screaming,
sat
make everyone
down.
around.
Andrew, you should start doing that.
Yeah!
I wonder how high Andrew could jump if he pulled it like
Not that high.
Not that high. Charles, you want pretzel with chocolate
Yes. That's my favorite.
Amber,
I
give me the
literally always do that at home.
Always do
That's
that.
when I get home from work, that's my snack.
on it? Andrew, do it again. He can't do it. He can't do it. Oh, he can't do it.
One more time.
Oh,
No!
not as high as Charles.
I'm dead.
Oh, you got a power up? Not fair. Can't even afford one. Off the cover. Can't even do it if you try.
Andrew's ready. You're like, whoa! Wait, did he not even do it?
Get out of here!
Yeah! What's a cool trick you can do?
I have one. I'm gonna put my feet on the handlebars and stand up like this. Like,
Dude, I thought Andrew got back on the bike.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Andrew! Oh no! Whatever.
I think Andrew's losing this battle.
I'm beginning to think that Charles has been doing BMX longer than Andrew has.
the TikTok.
We finished our foods. It was a delightful day. Honestly, this was probably one of the most productive days I've had recently. And I'm so happy! Oh, there's good lighting right here. Wait, can I stand
Like
there?
hot.
Can you guys get in with me? Ah, it's so hot. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I had an awesome day with you guys. I was super productive and I had a blast. It was super nice to spend time with the family and get out in the fresh air.
Yeah.
We have sunglasses.
Holy crap.
Actually,
I
look at
actually
it.
can look right at it with the sunglasses.
Do
on.
it.
Glasses.
Actually, turn it.
Yes. Like, I swear to God.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Like, it's fine.
Wait,
Just look.
okay, I literally can't open my eyes like this. Wait a minute! I can literally open my eyes. How does that work?
My armpits smell like coconut.
Mine smell like a sewer.
Yes.
We are New York though.
New York, though.
Me and Charles are getting a Saint Bernard.
That's a terrible idea.
What are you talking
That
about?
is such a huge dog to take care of.
When we're like 30.
I'm down to take care of a big dog.
Charles is a big dog.
Whoa.
Hell yeah. Wow, Ashley.
Did you get that? Do it again.
Wow!
My shoes
okay?
folded.
No, Andrew, I've done that.
They went like
you have
this.
to have really strong shoes.
Owie!
I look so greasy.
Ew, greasy girl.
Hey!
Oh my, cooking an egg on her forehead. Got her. New York toe. Okay, let's look.
We are the party.
I'm actually a Jabberwocky. Oh, whatever. My mom's gonna yell at me. I literally looked at the camera for like a minute too earlier. I was like, this. She's gonna fucking yell at me, bro.
I believe that concludes our day, though. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.
Hey, Andrew, can you say bye really quick?
Bye, guys.
Andrew, can you say bye, please?
I said bye.
I didn't hear you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.